Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off Google Chrome's Safe Search settings in the Google search engine. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just go to Google and just go ahead and do a Google search. Doesn't matter for what, or you could just select the Google icon. And you want to select the gear icon up in the top right corner of the search results and go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and underneath where it says Safe Search, you want to click on that selection in here. And Safe Search helps you manage explicit content in your search results. So if you want to change your Safe Search settings, you can do that right here. The default option is blur, which will help blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. You could also just turn it off by just selecting the third option here, which will turn it off without having to click on OK or Save or anything like that. You also have the option to select the filter button up at the top so you can filter explicit images, text, and links. So just a little bit more sensitive than the default blur option. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.